Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you the most cursed thing in the world. More cursed than Thomas the Train in Arabic. Alright, be prepared guys. What is this? Why does it have arms? This looks like a pretty cool song, but just wait. The only good thing part of the song is the violin. Why is there a kid? There's supposed to be a roof on top of their head. And why does he have eyebrows and a nose and arms? I don't think it should be on a train. Why is there a clown? Okay, that guy's fat. Shut up. What is this, guys? Subscribe for more cursed. Bye.